Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best property management leads using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So first I'm going to select small businesses, and we are going to New York. I don't think I've actually done New York yet. New York, New York. We're going to leave this, it's so big. We are going to set this to about 30 miles just because of how big New York is. I'm going to add that, hit next to lock that in. The reason why we're picking New York today is because, property management is huge in New York, as there a lot of people are renting. So property management, most people are renting in New York. So as you can see, lots of property management companies in our sanity check. We're gonna add that. Hit next. We want owners and founders, and in case the owner has a C-suite title, we're covering for that as well. So with the executive, hit next. Filters. We first want review score. Basically, the benefit for this for you, we're going to set it between a 3 and a 5, my bad. And the benefit of a 3 and a 5 is that the companies we're filtering, if 3 and a 5 here, those companies are respected by their clients and customers. And the benefit to you is that they're just going to be easier to work with. They're going to be less fussy. They're going to be, they're gonna have better character than someone below a 3 or a 5. They're gonna have better character than someone below the 3 to 5 range. So I'm gonna hit next to lock that in. Another filter I'm gonna add is our franchise or national chain, and we are going to exclude franchises and national chains. We do not want franchise property management groups, and we're gonna go on deliver. The reason we don't want franchise, we don't want franchise property groups is that, again, these companies are extremely hard to work with. They probably already have marketing services, or if you're coming from another industry funding leads, they probably already have people to work with if they're like a national franchise. And even if you do get the opportunity to work with them, they're usually a lot fussier, a lot pickier, a lot stingier. They're a big corporation. They got to make their, they got to set their costs and such. So, yeah, that's why I'm excluding franchises or national chains. For the data points, we really want to tap into sort of the marketing and sort of the sales related ones, as we could be coming at generating these leads from either of the angles. So we have our Google metrics here. We're going to ignore direct dials. We're getting direct email. We want our social media just to get a sense of their marketing strategies and how much they care about marketing. Revenue, headcount, and data established are more the sales metrics and the longevity metrics. Great for taking your 100 good leads down to 20 great leads. Ad pixels are very telling. Technology filters are very telling. They can definitely help you narrow down. Let's say you're good with Google Analytics or you're good with WordPress. That's a more marketable sale to sell. And then finally, the SEO filters or SEO metrics are also very insightful as well. So next, to lock that in, I'm going to finish that up. Make sure to give it a title, set your context required. We're going to save a draft. Just in case I need to stop it to change something, I'm not starting from scratch. With that being said, though, I'm going to launch it. Now we're back on our task overview. As you can see, it's allocating, which means our team has it, and it should be ready in about 24 hours. So yeah, that's how you find the best property management companies using Coldlytics. And I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.